To automate the WorldPay REST API, you need to start by creating a WorldPay account and obtaining your client key and client secret. These credentials are necessary for authenticating your API requests. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the developer dashboard where you can find the client key and client secret. Next, choose a programming language for your automation script. WorldPay supports a wide range of languages including Java, Python, and C#. In your script, import the required libraries and set up the authentication parameters using your client key and client secret. Then, define the API endpoint and the request method. WorldPay provides various endpoints for different operations such as payments, refunds, and transactions. For example, to create a payment, you would use the payments endpoint with the post method. You also need to specify the request headers and the request body. The request body should contain the payment details such as the amount, currency, and payment method. Once you have set up the request, send it to the WorldPay API and handle the response. The response will contain the result of the operation and any relevant details such as the payment status. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure your script can recover from any issues that may occur. Best practices include logging all API requests and responses for debugging and security purposes, and using secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt your requests. Additionally, make sure to follow WorldPay's guidelines and requirements for API usage to avoid any issues with your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully automate the WorldPay REST API and integrate it into your application. This will enable you to process payments, manage transactions, and access other WorldPay services programmatically, making it easier to develop and deploy your payment solutions. Remember to always test your script thoroughly before deploying it to production to ensure it works as expected and handles all possible scenarios.